Hello everyone and welcome to this Beehiiv review. Is it the best newsletter platform? Well, today we'll be diving into Beehiiv that's been generating a lot of buzz. If you're a creator, writer or business looking to build and monetize your audience through email, you've likely heard of it. But is it really the best? We're going to break down its features, pricing, pros and cons, and see if it measures up. Before we dive in and you're interested in Beehiiv, you can go ahead and check out Beehiiv, and the link is in the description below. Beehiiv positions itself as an all-in-one platform for newsletter growth and monetization. Here are some of its key features. Newsletter Editor. Beehiiv's editor is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean interface and intuitive building blocks. You can easily create visually appealing newsletters, embed social media posts, and use engagement features like polls. Also, it aims to bridge the gap between simple platforms like Substack and more complex ones like ConverterKit. Another feature is the website and landing pages. So Beehiiv allows you to create a website and landing pages directly within the platform. This is great for those who want a streamlined workflow. They are also focusing on improvement in this area, so it's an area to watch. Monetization tools. This is where Beehiiv really shines. They offer built-in monetization options, including paid subscriptions, sponsored content, and ad placements. This makes it easy to turn your newsletter into a revenue stream. They also have a referral program that allows for growth and revenue generation. Analytics and growth tools. Beehiiv provides detailed analytics to track your newsletter's performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. They also offer tools to help you grow your audience, such as referral programs and acquisition source tracking. Acquisition source tracking is very helpful in knowing where your subscribers are coming from. And the last feature we'd like to mention is automation. Beehiiv now offers automation features, allowing you to create automated email sequences and workflows. While it may not be as advanced as some dedicated automation platforms, it's a solid addition. And now to pricing. Now, when it comes to the pricing, they have 4 tiered plans. You have Launch, Scale, Max, and Enterprise. The Launch comes at $0 and it of course has some features, but they'll be definitely limited compared to Scale, Max, and Enterprise. The Scale comes at $43 per month, the Max at $96 per month, and the Enterprise means you will have to contact customer support for custom pricing depending on your unique needs. Now, some differences are with the team members, publications limit, and subscriber limits. With team members, the Launch is at 1, while the Max is unlimited and the Scale is at 3. The subscriber limits is at 2,500 at launch, and the Scale is at 100,000, and the Max is also at 100,000. And now I'd like to weigh in on the pros and cons. And starting with the pros, we have a user-friendly interface, strong monetization features, all-in-one platform, good analytics and growth tools, and continual feature updates. On the flip side, with the cons, the pricing can be a bit higher compared to some competitors, especially for larger subscriber lists. While improving, some users desire more websites and landing page customizations. And while automation is present, more advanced users may find it limited. In conclusion, to our question, is this the best newsletter platform? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're a creator focused on monetization and want an all-in-one platform, then Beehiiv is definitely worth considering. However, if you need more advanced automation or highly customizable website features, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that best fits your specific needs and goals. Remember to visit the Beehiiv website following the link below if you'd like to have a try on Beehiiv. And do let us know if this review was helpful, and thanks for watching.